Well, I've loved hot sauce for over 20 years. This was just kind of a natural extension of a passion. So we have a gigantic selection of that hot sauce for any spice head, but people who have zero tolerance to heat, we wanted to make sure there's just as big a selection for them. We're not just a hot sauce store. We have a lot of complementary items, and we have some killer barbecue sauces, killer marinades, dry rubs. Recently, we just got a freezer, so now we can get some frozen goods in here. Up until now, you've just been getting one half of the equation, where now we're kind of able to put that together so that you can come in and not only grab the meat, but you're also going to be able to get the sauce and rub. I have a background in family business, and anybody who walks through the front door, that's kind of how you're treated as family, because once you try this stuff, you see that it's a step above. Most of this stuff is Canadian made. It's typically small batch, artisan style companies. You can't just go anywhere and find this stuff. But just have fun while we try to find, a secret ingredient for your kitchen.